Yeah, so here we are late at night doing some work. What are we doing? We're creating designs in Canva. Oh, you mean, yeah, there's all these events that need to happen so we can make a listing. It all starts with the design and it ends up as different listings. You see, like these sorts of things. These all started in Canva. Wow. Okay, so it's an iterated process. Click on the design. Design appears over here. Click on edit. What are we doing? Well, we want to change that. You see how it changes? I'm going to change that and yeah, do this and do this and do this. Hey, body thing. Okay, try again. Oh, yeah, there it goes. Yeah, that's a nice design. Okay, now what do we have to do? We got to download the design. And we do all that and just do this and do this again. And there it goes. And we just keep doing this. And you see how rapidly we can create designs. I mean, why do we do this? Well, I've heard it said many times. You gotta keep making designs. It all starts with designs. This is one of the things that needs to happen in the course of our uh, Bromtignagian success in print on demand. Yeah. And the more I associate positivity with this, the more I'm likely to do it, right? Okay. Oh, yeah. So we're just waiting for that to do that. And what do we got up here? How do I solve this problem? I didn't get lucky. I created a system. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice design. I like that design. I might change the color scheme though. I don't really like pink much. He's not at the pink. Note the South. He doesn't like pink. Yeah. Let's change this. Change that. Delete that. And yeah, mix that up. And do this. And do that. And do that. And there we go. Nice design to download. Yep. And yeah, late at night while people are getting blazed and off their face and wasting time staring at the screen, you could be creating something. You got to be uploading, not downloading, not consuming. It'll be uploading. In print on design, we're uploading every day. We're sending assets out to the internet, creating listings. Listings go live and they work 24/7. Yeah. The more we do this, the better. Well, it stands to reason, the more listings you got out there, the more likely you're going to make a sale, right? It's all about that, isn't it? We want to make some income here. We're not here to have a conversation and that, like we had a nice chat, yeah, and I didn't purchase anything. uh, so you see, in Canva, it starts with a good prompt. If you've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 different good prompts, well, what more do you really need? Do you really need thousands of prompts? Yeah, so here's an example of how quickly you can download, and let's have a look at our downloads folder. Wow, look at all those downloads. You see how quickly you're like, wow. It doesn't take too long to create a whole lot of different assets. Let's have a look at these assets. And there you go. I don't own the rights to this music, so you're just saying, for legal Might be consequences here. Someone might say, "Hey, that's our music, man. You're not allowed to do that. We don't have a big baby about it." You're like, wow, like, I'm giving them free attention. Yeah, like, it's all about attention, right? The more attention you get, the more likely you're gonna make a sale. That's why we do Instagram, we do Pinterest, we do Facebook, we do all of that. Personally, I'd like to see a platform that incorporates all the different aspects of print on demand on one platform. No more downloading, no more uploading. That'd be great. It'd save me a lot of time.